Hey Luv Bugs, welcome to my channel. I'm Navy Marlowe. Is that my dog? He's so jealous when I do videos. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Where were we? I am Navy Marlowe. Thanks for tuning in. If you're here, that means you want to see me do a sleek ponytail, a nice sleek gel prim and proper ponytail. I'm going to give you that. I'm going to serve it up on a nice platter for you. So if you're interested in being served a sleek ponytail today, stay tuned. I'm going to use some eco styling gel, some water, a brush, some clamps or something to keep your hair pinned down, a toothbrush for your edges, some type of curling cream to oil your hair with, and some eco styling booster gel that I'm going to use for my edges, and of course some scarves to lay your hair flat. So first I'm going to do is create my part. Now depending on where you want your part, you want to go ahead and create that first, and then I'm going to saturate my hair with water. Now you can take whatever oil or curling cream that you're going to use. I like this curling cream because it's a thick base and it helps to lay my flyaways down really well. Then I'm going to section my hair off into layers, and I'm going to apply gel to each layer of my hair. Applying gel in layers just helps the hair lay down flatter. Now I'm going to take 2 scarves to tie my hair down. I'm going to use those scarves and tie it pretty tight. I'm going to let my hair stay tied down for about 15-20 minutes. I had to go somewhere, so I couldn't let it sit that long, but using the scarves just gives it a more sleek look. And of course, the longer you let it sit with the scarves on and keep it tied down, the more sleek your look will be. Now I'm going to take this Shea Moisture Smooth and Repair High Shine Glosser. This is really good for your flyaways. It really helps with frizzy hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit and apply that to my hair. Okay, so I must know, is the ponytail sleek or is it sleek? Comment below. Let me know how sleeky my ponytail is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and leave the products that I use in the description box below. But go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.